You know we came to eat and drink. This is EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival 2024, and these are our favorite items of this year's festival.
Yo, we both can't be filming at the same time.
Yes, literally we can.
No, we can't.
We have two different phones. Alright, let's take a look at this one. This is the carrot cake with some kind of, what is it, cream cheese frosting. My only critique is, why do we keep pretending that people like walnuts? We eat it because we like the carrot cake. If you left it out, nobody would complain. Nobody would be like, where's the walnut? The chocolate wine, definite smell of chocolate. A very faint hint of the taste. Otherwise, it's, you know, if you like red wine, you're gonna like it. But you smell it and you can't believe what you're tasting versus what you're...
I was thinking like a chocolate wine. There's this chocolate wine that we used to drink back in the day. That was really good, but it was like chocolate. It was like a chocolate milk with wine kind of flavor.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
It's good. And the frosting on it is good. Again, my problem is you have to endure the walnuts to enjoy the cake. Leave the damn walnuts out.
I don't hate that. I'm not addicted to Dr. Lee.
I don't think that's family friendly what you're saying. Very, what they call that?
Very expensive.
Amuse bouche or whatever.
Amuse-bouche.
A very small bite.
That's not a amuse-bouche, rude. Yeah, and it worked for some people. Look inside, look inside.